Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel of Make It with Mia. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can take Dollar Tree's baskets for your everyday home needs to organize and get stuff nice and tidy. And I know that everyday things can get a little bit crazy because we all have a lot to do and our schedule gets busy, which is why I'm teaming up with TakeNote for this video, because this is the perfect little device that you would want to have on hand. This is their AI device that does many things, and it is just straightforward. You simply scan the barcode on the little paper there, and then you can download the app. You simply connect it via Bluetooth and you have it right on your phone. What I love about this is that you can literally do so many things. You can make reminders, you can translate, transcribe, do all of that stuff. Remember to get baskets from Dollar Tree. You simply press the power button for 2 seconds so you can start recording, then press it again for another 2 seconds to stop. And you don't even have to have the actual device on you to look at your reminders and whatever you have on the device. It's right in the app on your phone, which is great because you can take it anywhere and be reminded of what you have on there and what you need to do. And now that we are in Dollar Tree, you can just take out your phone, go on the app, and you can see what is it that you wanted to get when you are at the store, which is amazing. And I absolutely love this device. You're gonna have to check them out, my friend. The link is gonna be in my description box below because it's so great for so many things. Just so you know, I never recommend things that I don't truly like. Just so you are aware, I am not just putting it out there just because I do really like the device. So I hope you check them out. And now that we have our baskets, we're going to be taking it for this big old toy chest that my daughter has here. This, as you can see, is a really hot mess and I just can't stand it anymore. I have to organize it and make it better, and I thought the best way to do that is by taking some Dollar Tree bins. So let's go ahead and get started by taking all of this stuff out first so we can see exactly what we are working with and what's gonna go where and all of that stuff. As you can see, everything is just placed in here and doesn't really have its own spots, place, and things like that. So I want to fix that up for her. We're gonna take everything out, and then I'm gonna take this deeper, larger basket. This is going to be for all of the Barbies because you can see it's just in this bag, which I am not a fan of. So I just want to place them inside of this bin right here. It's much easier to see and to reach inside of this toy chest. So I'm going to place them really nicely inside of this deeper basket. I think this basket is perfect for that because she does have a lot of Barbies, so they will fit just perfect. And then I also have this little basket here. This one is short but wide. This is perfect for her art stuff. And I did pick up this 2-pack of folders because I thought it would be perfect for stuff like this that may have a broken box and you need to put it away. This is a little diamond art painting that she has, and it's perfect inside of this folder. Keeps it nice and safe. Is not in that ugly broken box anymore, and it's just amazing. So I placed that inside of there, and all of her art stuff is in that white one. Now I'm gonna go in fixing her Miniverse collection. I did get another bin, but this time with a cover. I organized her little collection of sunglasses in this cute little bag. This is from Dollar Tree as well. And then her little Miniverse collection with the cover I'm going to place down inside. And what I like about that is that you can stack some baskets on top of that as well. So I'm just organizing some of her extra stuff around. I'm going to place another basket that I picked up. One of the baskets are going to hold her painting supplies. The other basket is going to hold all of her slime and stuff like that to play with, like little games and stuff like that. So that's gonna go stacked on top as well. And that is it for this organization toy chest. I really love how it came out, my friend, because now it's much easier for her to see everything, to reach, take stuff out, put stuff back in without digging through the whole mess of before. I absolutely love this. Just using $1.25 bins from Dollar Tree. You can also take some of these 3-pack organizers from Dollar Tree to make a nice desk or office organization, what I did was I just took 2 packs, I lined them up all together, and then I placed in some main essentials like pens, markers, tape, maybe some batteries, chargers, everything that you might need for on top of your desk or workspace. You can even fit a little notepad down inside of one of them if you need that as well. And I just love how it looks once it's completed, because it's really nice to have on top of your desk or wherever you want inside of your home to just organize your main essentials and your everyday needs. You can see how nice it looks all put together, and this is just using 2 packs. Each pack does come with 3 little baskets, which is awesome and a great deal. Another great little organizer from Dollar Tree are these 16 fixed compartment storage boxes. This is great for many things. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can use these. The first way is for medications or vitamin bottles. These fit in really perfect in each little compartment, and it's really easy to just reach and grab. You can place this in a cabinet somewhere and have them nice and organized, which is great because I know sometimes it is hard to find a place to place these bottles and in a way that they can be nice and organized. So this little compartment box from Dollar Tree is absolutely perfect for this, and I love it. The next way that you can use this is in your kitchen. You can place it inside of your kitchen drawer, and this is going to act like a nice little storage box for all of your kitchen towels. You can see here there is just many kitchen towels that are just folded and placed in here, but I don't really like the look of it just being like that. I want them to be a little bit more organized, so I think this little compartment box is perfect for that, because each little towel can go in its own little storage space, and it is easy to grab once you open up the drawer, and I just love it, my friend. If you've made it this far into my video, it is time for our secret word for today. Is going to be organized. So comment that down below in the comment section, and I will know that you made it this far into my video, which is highly appreciated. So thank you very much. I love it when you stick around to the very end, and I hope you enjoyed some of these organization hacks or DIYs that you can do for your home. Let me know if you're gonna try some of them out, and if you've enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do consider hitting that subscribe button so you can be a part of my YouTube family. And I will see you on my next video. Take care and God bless.